to this point, go to the previous tutorial, guys. That will be very helpful. Trust me, if you don't know how to get here. To those of you who've been watching this, who are smartest, well done. You know why? It's like, wow, how come it's a negative? Why not a positive? Is he making a mistake? Nope, he's not making a mistake. And those who are also reading their books. I told you don't need to necessarily read their books. No. Did I say that? No, if I said that, scrap that. You do need to read your books. This will help you get 100%. This will polish you. This is okay. Let me just write down. Let me just do what I'm supposed to do right now. Now we're subbing this back to the original equation. Let me just write it here. Yeah, back to the origin. Like we're subbing this we're subbing it back to it. Should I write it down? Maybe I should write it down. Sub it back. Yeah, sub a plus 90 stroke minus. Oh, I think this makes me write quicker. Maybe it's because I'm used to typing. I don't type like this. Typing isn't from coding. So yeah, cos 90 star minus a yeah, no. There's it. Cos b minus sine 90 s strip t minus a sine b. Okay, I've noticed some of you don't like me giggling all the time and doing things like it's kind of irritating, and if I was me, I would be irritated. So this logic that I'm just using right now, it's in the beginning. What was it called? I forgot. I don't know. Be me. Yeah, I'll need to remember that. What was it called? I think it's compound angles. Isn't it this compound angles? These are compound angles. This is from the revision side. Yeah, it's from the revision side. That's what I remember. The revision side. This is cos. If you don't know how we go here, it's from the revision side. I can also show you from this part what we mean. I will show you later, but it's from the revision side. As I said, I will show you, but it's from the revision side. We are done, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. Let me check the time. Why does time fly fast? 7 minutes. Wow. Whoa. This is it. Okay. Now, therefore. Okay, this is a therefore. Therefore, wait, I'm at the therefore part now? Wow, I am at the therefore part now. Therefore, yep. Therefore, because, this one is equal to, therefore, sine. Now we're subbing it back, way back. E minus equal to, let me just copy paste this. Now I like this thing. I think now I'm in love with this because I can copy paste. Let's copy paste it. This is what I like by coding. I always do copy paste even though I say don't copy paste. This is it. We're done. Let me check the time if I do have time to re-explain these things again. Like, how do we get here? I don't necessarily have time, but let me just show you. This is it. This is how we do it. This is how we've done it. Okay. That's the ugliest. This is gonna be like, am I doing this intentionally? Oh my god, this is gonna be like the ugliest graph ever. Yeah. Then again, now I'm thinking I should not be doing this, but it's okay. It's cool. I'm a cool guy. 90. You know what? Just watch the previous tutorial. I don't want to do this. Nah, it's whack. Bye.